how to build an AFK farm in Deliverable for Treasure. So let's just load in. There we go. Okay. Okay. So don't worry about any of these. So now we're gonna go and build a boat. And yeah. Okay. For this, you will need a scale tool. You'll need scale tool. You'll need screwdriver, wrench, and 2 legacy wheels, and over 100 blocks. And also 2 portals. Okay, first off, starting off with this build, we're gonna need a tire. So right here, it's gonna be TTT. Okay, now what we can do is we're gonna go. So this is gonna be, it's gonna be 18. So 318. Okay, so okay. Now should be let me get this. Okay. Okay, sorry guys. My headset disconnected. Okay. So and then you need to go here and do this and do 6. I'll be in the process. Be back. One, two, three. Okay. Hold up. You have to make it like that. Use that. Okay. Then after doing that, you'll need to do T, and then oh shoot. Hold up. You'll need to go right there, T, and then boom. Okay. Now it should spin. Hold up. See? Okay. Now that that's done, we'll need to go over here. And this is for the second portal, okay? So then you're gonna go over here. Hold up. Okay. Let me put it over my keyboard. Okay. So side. Okay. Now you just place one in one of those. Do that, and then do how any ever. I would do this. I usually do. Now, yeah, I'm gonna. Okay. And now you can do this and go over here, do that. And make sure nothing is on the ground before you do this. Then you'll just want to boom. And hold up, well, let me see what this is connected. This is connected to that. So this, that, this, that, this. Okay. Now you'll need to place one lever, like a single lever. So just a single lever right there. And now you just want to save. AFK farm, save. And before you go think you're finished, why is my okay, now anchored. Okay, now what you're gonna want to do is come over here, and all you want to do is make sure you have all of your items in your inventory before you do this. Then you're just gonna okay, now you can anchor and delete, hopefully. I believe you can, if you want to retry it, I mean, you can. But what you want to do to the wheels is make this right here. And if you want it to like go fast, I would prefer like the wheel speed to be like right there. And then for this will be 20. And this will be 30. So let's look. Oh shoot, I forgot to anchor. 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 No. What the? Oh shoot. God. Collision. See? Now you have a perfect build a boat for treasure. And boom, you have an easy peasy lemon squeezy. And it should come. Oh, shoot. Go. I think that built. Hey, I didn't make the rules, I didn't make it. Okay. If you want to reload it, you can. It just load. Let me see if that works. Still. Oh, yep, it still does. You can make it a little faster. I'll make the rules though. So, Okay. So I prefer this at a higher, like right there, and then right there. I'd prefer like right here. And for this one, hold up, for this one, do this. The same amount, just like that. Then we should be good. I keep forgetting to unanchor everything. Oh shoot. And collision. Now you have it perfectly working. And should see. And you should be free to get. Boom. Kabwow. Kaboo. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time. The hookah. Kaboo. Kabwow. Kaboo. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time I hit the hookah. Kaboo. Kabwow. Kaboo. Rest in peace, my granny. She got hit by a bazooka. Yeah, I think about it every time. Hit the hookah. I mean, honestly, I'll load it back. Like, like this. That's how you build an AFK farm and build a boat for treasure. If you're wondering why I'm not posting on my phone, is because my phone doesn't have good quality and everything. So, bye!